Hi everybody, I'm Norma, the chef here at Brooks Winery, and today we're going to be going over the perfect pairing for March, seared flank steak tacos, and we're going to garnish those with a little bit of homemade pickled onion, some avocado crema, cilantro, lime, and cotija cheese. It's also going to be paired with our 2018 Crannell Pinot Noir. First, we're going to season our flank steak, and here we have a little bit of cumin, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne, and to that, we're just gonna add a little bit of salt and black pepper. And we're just gonna season both sides of our flank steak here. We have an avocado crema here. Avocado, cilantro, lime, salt, and sour cream. And you just wanna puree it until it's nice and creamy smooth. We have a little bit of pickled onion. We're using rice vinegar, water, sugar, salt, and a little bit of chili flake. And just cutting the onions super thin, and they'll sit for about 24 hours. So now we're just gonna take our flank steak, flip it over, and let the other side get nice and charred. And while we're waiting on that, we're gonna toast up some tortillas. I'm gonna cut against the grain here. We're looking for that nice medium rare. And take a little bit of that crema, put it on the bottom there. A little bit of our meat. Take some onion, cotija cheese, grating the top of the tacos with this, some fresh cilantro, a little squeeze of fresh lime juice. We're just gonna finish it off with some chimichurri. This is parsley, cilantro, oregano, a little bit of chili flake, garlic, and olive oil. And this is gonna be the perfect pairing for March. All right, it's time. It's ridiculously good. Yeah. The Crannell is very smooth. It pairs amazing with the flank steak. Make sure that you guys come up to the winery this month. Try all of the dishes that I put on. Cheers, happy St. Patrick's Day. And the countdown is here. So hope to see you guys next month.